Welcome to uKnowva HRMS tutorial for configuring employee roles and adding their databases. Let's walk you through the process of each as a critical step in setting up your HRMS instance for seamless operations. In uKnowva HRMS, user roles define access levels for employees. On the Configure User Roles section of this page, you have three options to choose from. The first option, Yes, use default user roles, lets you quickly use pre-configured roles with predefined permissions. These roles are ready to go and cover basic employee access, HR administrative permissions, and full system access for admins. Need something custom? Click on Edit and then choose No. Define new user roles. A new window named Add New User Group will appear. Here, start by entering the title of a new user group or role. Next, select a subgroup from the drop-down menu in the subgroup field. Add a description to help others understand the role better. When you're ready, click Save to add the new role to your list. Or click Cancel to stop the process. The third option, View Default User Roles, lets you review the pre-configured settings. Click on the pen icon next to a role to edit one as required. Or click the bin icon to delete if need be. However, if the roles don't meet your needs, click Add New Group to add new roles as explained earlier. And once you're done configuring, click Confirm and proceed to finalize your user roles. And that's it! Configuring roles in uKnowva HRMS is simple and flexible, empowering you to set up your system your way. Stay tuned to know about adding employee databases in the next video.